Welcome to my channel where magic happens. Mix the resin, mix with care, color swirling.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So what are we doing today? You guessed it, it's Froggy Friday. And this Froggy Friday, it's going to be in two collaborations. Froggy Friday is organized by Karen from the Dragon's Cave and Lisa from Girl in the Garage. But this is going to go also into 31 days of Halloween that Stressful Mum Paints, Alison, is organizing as well. And now, to stay with the season, because we are coming into a very fun season of Halloween. So I will be doing quite a few Halloween trinkets and things that you can do for Halloween. So I have done the eyes already, and I had a lot of difficulty because these eyes, I couldn't match eyes that match properly. I bought them in Temu and they were not very good at all. So I was not happy, but what can you do? So I'm going to be painting the toes with this, and that was also from Temu. And I'll start painting or brushing it anyway. And I'll fast forward this bit because it's just me brushing, okay? Okay, so I've done it. I've shaked it upside down to get the excess off. I've mixed my resin and I'm using Platinum Ultra Clear. And I'm going to be using this. It's a metallic paste from Temu. And you have to make sure that you mix it really well, because if you don't, you get stringy bits in the resin. And you don't want that because it spoils your project. It's given the shine that I wanted anyway. I wanted like a metallic shine to it. And it has done that. But I am going to get some more. That obviously wasn't enough. And now to make it darker, I want to add some black to it. I'm getting better. That's more like it. Oh yes, this is it. See, I wanted to shine, but in a darker color. Beautiful. Now, I'm going to add this. And this is from Resin. They have a huge variety of glitter. And it will sink to the bottom, of course, but I want it to sink to the bottom because I want the sparkle in the bottom anyway. So that will not bother me at all. Okay, so here goes nothing.
Footsteps fall where no one's been. Shadows stretch, the walls grow thin. The air, it bites, it creeps, it grins.
Let's see if I have
A flicker,
made the correct amount.
breath so near. What hides beneath the
We'll push this to the edges.
but the dark won't let you go. Scream, but the echoes only grow. Shadows whisper, they already know. Windows stare with empty eyes. The clock ticks roll.
And I will have a link in the description to the other very talented artists in this collaboration.
It twists its sides, the light dissolves, it bends, it fades. A game you're lost in, a ghost parade. But the dark won't let you go. But the
Hopefully I have not overfilled it already because it's looking a little bit full in the bottom. And it's still here. You can see bubbles here. All right. Okay, I will be back when it's time to demold. Bye for now. Okay, let's have a look if we can get it out. What I do is broken a toe. In spite of everything I do, I still have broken a toe. Would you believe that? That can easily be fixed because I'll glue it with some UV resin. But look at that. Oh, I really like that, how it came out. So this can easily be fixed by adding a little bit of UV resin. I have a feeling I'm nearly at the end of my UV resin. On. And what I do now is I just add a little bit over the top of it. Okay, it's in place. And voila. And it's pretty quick to get it done. And make sure you do the bottom as well. I do that, and then what I do is I add a bit more like that, and that reinforces the whole thing. And this UV is very quick to set. So we'll see if that is, yep, hard like a rock already. Okay, so and now over the top of it, I'll add just a little bit more. And believe me, you can't tell, as you can see. And it's very firm. That's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so having done that, now I'll decide what I am going to put on the top of it. And I am going to put this little one, because it's a Halloween frog. Do I do it like this? Do I do it like that? Yeah. Deciding which way to put the hat. I think I might go this way. And you guys can't see what I'm doing, can you? My little hat that I created. And I'll get the glue. And okay. And I think I said I was going to put it this way. Yep, that'll do me fine. Beautiful. And there is our Halloween frog. I will paint the mouth a bit, but I think it looks quite cute. And we'll have to let it dry. Okay? I will do some glamour shots. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Remember, stay magical. We all have magic in us. Bye for now.